Hello, I'm Gary Patterson, corporate chef here at McCormick for Chefs, and today we're going to make a tomato cucumber cooler featuring the Frank's Red Hot Original Seasoning and some dill. So for the first step in this recipe, we're going to take some diced cucumbers and we're going to infuse those with some McCormick Culinary dill, and we're just going to sprinkle that over the top, and we're also going to combine that with some vodka. And this is going to set overnight to help those flavors fuse together and make a really light and delicious cooler. So we're going to start out with the cucumber infused vodka. And we're going to combine that with the French's ketchup. May seem a little bit weird, but this really works and it's delicious and refreshing. And a little fresh lime juice. And then we're just going to combine this. And in this case, we're going to add some ginger ale to it, but you certainly could use ginger beer or something like that as well. And this makes it quite refreshing and light and a nice cooler. So we're going to put this together like it would be in a restaurant, but for takeout, carry out, and delivery, there's a lot of little tips and tricks that you can do to make this a carry out item. But in this case, we're going to rim it in some of the Frank's Red Hot Original seasoning, which has got a nice little kick to it. We're going to take the vodka infused cucumbers and layer these up in here, and they're going to act as ice cubes. We're still going to pop a couple ice cubes on top as well. And then we're going to take this cooler and pour it over the top, and this will be nice and refreshing. We're going to finish this with a little bit of fresh dill and a lemon wedge.